Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Acho is a best-selling author and the host of the online series Uncomfortable Conversations with a Black Man, which serves to spark meaningful dialogue around racial ignorance. A former NFL linebacker, Acho is also an analyst for Fox Sports and the co-host of Speak for Yourself, One Day Ago.
Let's help you make your mark.
A new host for The Bachelor, After the Final Rose finale has been revealed following Chris Harrison's previous announcement that he is stepping aside for a period of time from the show. Author and TV personality Emmanuel Acho will act as the new host of the ABC reality show.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Following Bachelor host Chris Harrison's announcement that he would be stepping aside from the franchise amid controversy over excusing racism, the reality dating show announced Saturday that author and TV host Emmanuel Acho would take his place for the After the Final Rose special.
Make your mark, take our lead.
NFL pro-turned-sportscaster Emmanuel Acho, author of the bestseller Uncomfortable Conversations with a Black Man, is replacing Chris Harrison as host of this season's The Bachelor post-show After the Final Rose.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Acho, author of last year's New York Times bestseller Uncomfortable Conversations with a Black Man, will lead the one-hour The Bachelor, After the Final Rose special, airing March 15 on ABC, when he will discuss the season with Bachelor star Matt James and his top 3 finalists.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.